everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney. In today's video I am going to attempt to do vegan lox made out of carrots. She doesn't understand this now. First thing you do is get yourself some carrots. Wash them, and then you're going to put them into the oven. Just put them on like a cookie sheet. You're going to bake them. Okay, so you're going to put your oven at 350 and you're going to bake them for 40 minutes or until they are soft. While those are baking, you're going to, in a food processor, combine half a teaspoon worth of salt. Say it's like that. 1 cup of water. There's about a cup. Pouring everything into here. 1/4 cup of tamari, 1/4 cup, seems like a lot, but 2 tablespoons of capers, 1 tablespoon capers, and so 2 tablespoons of just the brine that the capers come in, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 1/2 cup of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then you're going to take 1 sheet of nori. This you can get at your Asian market. That's what it looks like, your nori sheets. Now we are going to mix that up real quick in the food processor. Be right back. Once you have that all blended, it should look like that. I don't know if you can see it, but all blended together. So then you're going to put this into a bowl. Taking a glass container and pour that in. So this is what you're going to put all of your shredded carrots in once they are done cooking, and then you're going to leave it overnight for 24 hours. Well, not overnight, 24 hours. Okay, so I'll be back. So there they are. I let those cool for a little bit, and then we are going to shave them. Okay, so now that we have the oven's out of the carrots out of the oven, you're going to use a peeler and make thin little loxy like strips. I'll take that. Pretty easy. Pretty cool. And then, you just are gonna put all of your lox into there. And then you're gonna put this in the fridge for 24 hours, and then you're ready to serve. I'll show you that and do a little taste test. Okay, so for the vegan lox, which have been marinating for 24 hours, I am going to, I'll try it first, just to see. And then I'm going to put it on, I think I should have cooked the carrots a little bit longer, but it tastes delicious, but for this recipe, I feel like it needs more of the nori. We will try it again, but maybe if I mix it. Alright. But for tonight, I'm going to use bagel thins. This is almond milk cream cheese by Kite Hill. Because this used to be my Oh, one of my favorites was bagels, lox, cream cheese, and onions, and tomatoes. So I am going to do that and see that fills the void a little bit. So some of your carrot salmon looks salmon-y. Yeah, definitely cook them so that they get a little soft, I guess. A bit of tomato on top. And then top it off with some onions. Maybe capers? Is that a thing? I think that is the thing. Well, maybe try it later. Okay, so let's see what this tastes like. It's delicious. Doesn't taste like salmon. I'm gonna keep trying though. Well, if you want a delicious vegan treat, you can make this recipe. I linked it in the description where I got the recipe. But it's very good. And you get a lot of veggies in it. So, hope that was helpful. And thanks for watching all the way to the end. Please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I know I said that it didn't taste like salmon, but as I continue to eat it, that may have just been one piece. So I think I did something wrong, like I didn't like mix it well enough, or maybe I should have mixed it halfway through the 24 hours, but I just tasted one piece and it was perfect. So I think you just have to do a better job with the recipe than I did.